Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiana. Today I'm going to be filming a productive morning routine. You guys already saw me start my day with hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. It's my drink of choice. Now I'm going to go do my journaling and devos. So I'm done with journaling and reflections, and I just did a little bit of stuff on my computer, but my desk is a little bit messy, so I'm going to clear it off and dust it. Also, I've got a lot of boxes right here, but don't worry about them because I will take them out later today. My husband got this for me for one of my birthday gifts. So I just switched over our sheets. I'm actually going to do the guest bedroom sheets now because last week my brother and sister-in-law stayed over. So yeah, I'm going to wash these sheets now. So now that that's done, I'm going to do the dishes. I've got quite a lot because I let them sit and accumulate over the weekend. But yeah, let's do the dishes. Alrighty, now that all that is done, I'm going to vacuum the house. But before I do that, I'm going to take these out to the car. They were the chairs and tables that we used for Thanksgiving, and my parents let us hold on to them because my family was coming over. So yeah, I'm going to put them in the car. I keep finding Legos all over my house from the boys. Alrighty guys, so vacuuming is all done. I have a little bit of time before I have to leave for work, so I'm going to fold and put away the laundry. Hey guys, everything is put away. I put our sheets back on our bed. The guest bedroom sheets are still in the dryer, so I'll do that when I get home. But I do need to get ready to go work, so this is going to be the end of the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That would really help me out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!